Today we are going to solve math word problems by using different strategies. Let's go ahead and read our I can statement together. I can solve math word problems by using different strategies. Why might we want to have different strategies to solve a word problem? Perhaps one way would work, another way wouldn't. Maybe one way is easier for you to solve them. Let's see what kind of strategies we can use today. Let's look at our word problem. Caitlin has 11 toys. They are blocks. Caitlin has 4 red blocks. How many are blue? Wonder how we can solve that word problem. Let's look at our strategies. First of all, what do I know? Underline what you know one time. So let's go back into our story, and it tells us that Caitlin has 11 toys. So we know that she has 11 toys. Let's underline it one time. They are blocks. Do we need to know that? No. They could be cars, they could be baby dolls. It doesn't matter. We just know she had 11. She has 4 red. Is that important? Yes. She had 4 red blocks. Is there anything else in there that we know? No, that's all we know for right now. Let's look at our second step. What do I need to find out? Underline it 2 times. Well, let's go back into our story. We know that she had 11 blocks. 4 were red. What do we need to find out? Yes, usually it has a question mark at the end. So we want to find out how many are blue. Now, let's look at step number 3. What do I need to do to solve? Do I add or do I subtract? Well, I'm not really sure. I could add, but then I'd have more than 11 toys. Because if I have 11 and I add 4 more, I think that makes 15, but she only has 11. So I think I'm going to have to subtract. Okay, so we'll see. Now we're going to solve using different strategies. Let's look at the strategies that are here. First thing I can do is draw a picture. Let's see, she has 11 toys and they are blocks. She has 4 red blocks. Let's draw 4. And I'm going to make them look like blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. But she has 11 altogether. So let's see how many blue blocks I need to draw till I get at 11. Pick up a blue crayon. Go ahead and do this with me at home. So let's see how many more we need to draw to get to 11. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count them to make sure we have 11 blocks. Well, we know we have down here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Now we have all of Caitlin's blocks. How many do we have now? We have 11, but we wanted to know how many are blue. So we already know about the red. We don't need to count those. Let's count the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, by drawing a picture, it seems like we have 7 blue ones. Let's check over here. We're going to do a part whole. Y'all know what that is. Go ahead and draw your rectangle. We've done this many times before. But now our parts are a little different. We know we have 11 toys. So let's just go ahead and draw 11 blocks in the top part because we know the biggest part tells us how many we have all together. Let's draw 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't make my box big enough. 9, 10, 11. So there's all the 11 that she had. And we know that she had 4 red ones. So let's put the 4 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now our question asks us, how many are blue? So let's just keep going with blue until we get 11 squares. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see how many we drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like 4 and 7 over here gave us 11. I think we had to add. All right, let's go to our number line. They're both the same. So we had 4. Same as over here. I think I'm doing pretty good. Let's start and use our number line. Remember, on our number line, if we count this way, we are adding. If we count this way, we are subtracting. So let's see what we have to do. We had 11 toys, right? We had 11 toys. We know 4 of them are red. So we decided up here we had a part. So let's see, 4 were red. 1, 2, 3, 4 were red. What number did we end up at? That is how many were blue. Well, look, we have 7 here, 7 here, and 7 here. I would think that our problem would be, we started off, remember up here, we started with 11. We already had 4 that were blue, so we need to do subtraction. 11 subtract 4 is 7. So our answer to this number word problem is 7. Let's write that in a complete sentence. Caitlin, remember, we've got to have that uppercase. It's the beginning of a sentence, but it is also someone's name. Caitlin has, how many did we say? 7 blue blocks. That's it for now. Thanks for working on your math word problem.